Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Crazy Gamer. In this video, I'm going to show you how to add friends on your Gamespot account. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up your web browser and then in the address bar type in gamespot.com and press enter. You will now be taken into the official Gamespot website. Now from the homepage, if you haven't logged into your account already, click on the account icon at the top right corner and then proceed with logging in using your credentials or by your social account. Once you are logged in and taken into the homepage, if you wish to add anyone as your friend, click on the search button at the top right corner. This will open up the search box within which, in order to search for user, click on the drop-down menu and then choose users. You can now simply type in the username of the user that you wish to add. Once you find this person, just click on this profile and you will be taken into their profile page. From this page, just click on the follow button and you will now follow this person right away. Once this person also follows you back, you will become friends on your Gamespot account. And there you have it. That is how you can add someone as your friend on Gamespot. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.